Gukinyeria riu ni andu 11 aria maikitio ngono magikuruhanio na gucogera ngui mwena wa Njoro kurumirira ngahiha iria iratuthukire mwena wa Naisut hamwe na mutito-ini wa Mau. Riu atongoria matiganite ni mendekithitie thirikari kuoya ikinya irumuri ya kiwatho kuri aria othe makuruhanitio na gucogera ngui ici gutekumakania no kana no na ituro iria mari nacio riri nario aikari mathiete na mbere na gucoka micini yao rungu rwa ugitiri munene. Atongoria aya ni maugite ni kieha kuona atongoria makiaria mieria ya gucogera ngui riri bururi ukoretwo gikuru kuma bara na rumena rwa kinduriri.
Leaders cannot utter words recklessly. We know where we have come from as a nation. From what we went through 2007, 2008, we would not like to go back where communities are against each other. So leaders who utter words that are going to bring hatred among the communities, they should be arrested with immediate effect.
Na ninaomba tuungane, tutoe sauti moja. Wanaoshika mishali kule na waona ni Wakristo. Jamani, makanisa mko wapi?
Atongoria makanitha ni moritio kunyita itemi hari kunyitithania andu o undu umwe na kumateithiriria kunina ngui na guikarania hamwe tondu nio makoragwo na muingi maita maingi guku makimenereria kamiti ya urumwe na uiguano NCIC makiuga gutire wira irutaga.
And I think the national cohesion should now start looking at these people and they start arresting. I think they have gone slow. They need to look at these leaders, not only politicians, anybody who utter words that can divide this nation, they should be arrested.
Ihinda-ini o riu minister wa maria maturigiceirie Keriako Tobiko ni augite matiragwayohio ni andu aria makoretwo makiregana na andu kuhamurithio mutito-ini wa Mau, akiuga ikereka ria keri ria kuhamurithia andu ni rikwambiriria ica ikuhi. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.